Hi guys, today we're going to do a little flipped classroom and go over sewing machine parts, okay? So in front of you, you should have your sewing machine. You should also have your study guide. Your study guide is front and back. There are 16 machine parts that you are going to have to fill out today, okay? Why don't you go ahead and write your name? Write your name right now. Okay, now that you have your name on your paper, you have a machine in front of you, okay? Here's my machine. Okay, you guys are going to have a machine in front of you. You should also have a foot pedal somewhere around your machine. You are not allowed to touch your foot pedal today. You should not be pushing it down. These are extremely expensive. They are $100 to replace, and they're very easy to break. Let's just put our foot pedal on the counter behind our machine. Okay? You should not be touching your machine unless you have permission from me today. So here's your machine. Okay. Number one. Number one on your paper is the lid. You can go ahead and open your lid and keep it open. So number one is the lid. Go ahead, write this down. Your machine probably doesn't have the thread. That's okay. You don't need it for today. Okay, number two is called the thread take-up lever. Number two is right here. Go ahead and write this down. Okay, I want you to stop writing. Number two is right here. I can't see mine on my machine right now. Here's what I want you to do. With your right hand, over here on this side of the machine, I want you to move this. I'm doing it backwards, right here. And see how it moves the needle up and down? Keep your fingers out of the way. It also moves this up and down. So watch. Moves it up. Here's up. And it moves it back down into the machine. Okay, the thread take-up lever. When we do thread our machine, we would go through the thread take-up lever. Moving on to number three. Number three are the thread guides. Number three are right here. They look like two metal blades. Okay, they are right here. Also used for threading your machine. When we thread our machine. We're not threading today. Go ahead and write down thread guides. Number four. Number four, I do not want you to touch because we have oil on our skin that can burst the light bulb. But under here is the light bulb. That's number four. Light bulb. Whoops. Typing upside down. Number four, light bulb. Do not touch it. Under here. You can look. Now you'll have to go to the next slide for the next machine parts.